Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, basically going to be very important video for me and for you too, because it's a kind of a very big update that you guys are getting. So basically this video I try to make you guys understand and kind of going to give you a bit of context. I cannot tell you more about it, but yes, I would love to start at least with something so that you have that basic idea what exactly I am doing. So first of all, one of the thing that I feel that you guys might be thinking is ki since most of you already know I have graduated from my college, like with my bachelor's degree in business administrations and management field, and then second thing is that from a Delhi Technological University. So that means I should have like close any company for the placements, but I have always been a child who don't go for always a conventional path, who always love to explore different things. So I was like I was not sure in my mind if I should go for placements directly or not, though I have sit for the interviews and did everything, but then my mind was not ready to accept the fact that I directly should go for jobs and something like that. And one of the thing that has always been in my mind is that I have to study abroad. I have to pursue my masters from abroad, you could say, and this has actually been so important to me. And for that to happen, I have to appear for a few of the exams and have to prepare myself both physically and mentally. So right now, I am preparing for IELTS exam, which is like International English Language Test System. This is basically an English language proficiency exam, which is like always accepted by the English speaking countries. And like if you are planning to study abroad, and these exams are basically designed for non-native English speakers, so you have to pass that exam, or you have to like achieve certain level of a bands to it. Like in countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and all, or not just this. Like if you are appearing for this exam, you like your chances of getting accepted by the university, by the colleges becomes higher than others, because it shows that you have actually went and above or out of your comfort zone to get that exams happen. So this was enough about it. And
press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor.
All night, night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home.
appear for this exam. Also, one thing I would love to tell that like you have to like book an appointment in advance. You can have that exam anytime, but you have to book an slot or take an appointment in advance so that you could like appear for the exam at per your own convenience. You have to pay, I would say, a hefty amount for it. Like I come up across that like 19k to 26k, something like that. In that range you have to pay before, you know, for an exam, or to get your appointment fixed with them. It is basically conducted by IDP or British Council. So yes, this was all about the exam. So I'm preparing for it because I genuinely want to explore the world outside too. And it's not like that ki I am so sure in my mind still ki I have to go for masters, but still I believe that ki instead of sitting idle, better it would be ki you explore as much as you can. It could be by working on your business, it could be like applying for a job still then, and it could be applying for universities. And IELTS is like very new to me, and in my entire bloodline I am trying it for the very first time, appearing for it very first time. So I believe that once you are getting into something and you genuinely want, I would say you would actually reach to that particular point if it actually meant for you. If it's not, then you will obviously have some sort of experience from it, and at the end वो आपके कैरेक्टर को बिल्डअप करने में हेल्प करता है. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपने कभी कुछ एफर्ट्स पुट किया है, इट ऑल वेंट इन टू वेन. सो येस, आई हैव ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड कि अभी मेरी करंट प्रायोरिटी है टू यू नो फोकस ऑन दिस एग्जाम, बिकॉज सिंस कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, the amount is actually very high for me, and I don't want to get that amount into waste by achieving a lower band or something like that. So in today's video I have shown you all a very mini study session of me preparing for basically taking a class on a writing task. I am not taking any coaching at all. I am preparing it all by my own, taking help of AI tools, taking help of some of the online resources, and course that is by a lead scholar. You would always have seen that video, like getting, like it starts from 99 and it actually works. I trust me, like they have provided you so many mock tests, lecture videos, and on the spot feedback, which I feel like is the most important thing. So I'm planning to get that from 1st of July. Today is like 29th of May. In this time period I was like working on myself and understanding what are my weaknesses, so that while having that course, or while studying, or while in that process of preparing for IELTS in core manner, I would have that understanding back in my mind that I am actually supposed to work on your weaknesses and convert that into your strength. Because at that, the one part you are very good at it, you are obviously like indirectly or not directly you are going to get a good band in that. But I believe that if you also work on your weaknesses, if you also work on your weaker parts, so it is making your chances of getting higher bands more higher. So yes, that's what I am doing. Like I have given myself